mesra uhu obia ewo eso eye screen so eye lawyers a eye omone lawyer Frank eye adwuma lawyer one of the executive director edema mascot enye confused say oh ma bana where is lawyer ehwa no da so okọ na oniwa me pacho ehwa na owo enti e bia bekọ lawyer Frank ni ho ono ana mehwehwe no lawyer Frank ni ho de ne me pacho no mabusa e de ade wo gi advice ni wi awokọ epabrem say lawyer Frank ni ho enti wonye me pacho okọ tamuchuku bibia e wo bia na lawyer Frank e wo mu ebi still mascot solicitors enche be cry next week no ye ne lawyer Frank beba so that you know say lawyer Frank is still there and tinyame ya adoma just why you busy anope kranko no na eba wo eno se Pauline bra na ma ye busy enti wa wo bisa ma abana no ehwa no wo why yo yeda erade ase erade aboye chidomi die na chese eno ano no ene ye ne mascot solicitors ene ba betwetwe nkomo was with God all things are possible what you say aha me pacho omudi mra fremra kanche mra pusu mra dware mra ahemra tade busa mra samra wo kwen emra se me pe mascot echira kwan na makoho na me na twetwe nkomo emra ni kontime de lawyer ebeba ni ahose me pacho lawyer Pauline and number name 0208 075 2860 0208 075 2860 wo frɛ office nasa obia emfa ana se wo frɛ na ye bizarre omo mobile number WhatsApp any normal call 073 864 54673 073 864 54673 me pacho mo fa lawyer embra ena ye pese din komo bebre ye be din komo bebre na nkomo no de ye me de ewo mo no eye won mo a omo ewo no recourse to public fund ewo mo nkrata so ene kwan apeso wi free so ene wo mo so so a circumstance binti no recourse to public fund no omutimi de babeto omo so ene wo mo so me entitled lawyer de ebe domu so ko akomu babia enti me pa chow ansa na me de lawyer beba no wa wo hwe me bia no me ma wache me salute awrade enshraw na emum oba so a share Facebook for mo share mo hu me ache me bo a Monday no ya ma lawyer Monday lawyer enkura ne ma akwan nyina no no ne ma doso enti enkura ne ma akwan nyina no o ma programs we tu kwan enti mesra onti na ho me Mondays ache no from next week as in 2 weeks time no be hu yen me pa chobon fa lawyer embra na ye ntwetwe eye enkomo Mon fandom brana yen twetwe enkomo yeni enkomo me pacho wa wo ba so bia true good life wo hwe me TikTok me pacho TikTok for mon true good life 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 obi a wa ba so bia no me pacho wo ba so a na wa true good life me true good life obi a wo hwe me true good life omo de lawyer eba and so the lawyer ho ya yefe unye yize Why ye fan kasa aha me pacho lawyer Pauline wan boti fofora na itire dada na me pacho obi a ma mo show TikTok no obi true good life na wo baso no like it Wendy baby God bless you Jena yebo God bless you kwaku bi ko enye kwaku din bi Beyonce kan be ka say na kwaku so de star baby star boy God bless you ka de ose ka kete Riham Radi Enshraw obibini me pa chomo fa lawyer bread na me nkona tamko ye mo de ma monye ni makeup say ye ne ho no like lawyer o mo bright o kakra because me say o mo so ho ne ye dark men so light bia o de jai o mo ane ye wa ha say e de amount omo ye wa ha mimi Radin Shaw Jena Radin Inshaw Sugar Radin Inshaw aha nyakon Robert nyakon Godwill Radin Shaw won fe ferry Radin Inshaw comfort Radin Shaw obi se ayi ade dosen wo se ma bana nanse wo ba Mr. Mo follow yamra nanse wo ba Facebook for na YouTube for wonchi aye bi me ba be chia mo why Oh lawyer kasama yen hwe because me say wo volume no Okay. Yeah, lawyer, yeah. Isaac, Kelvin, me pacho Shalom, me pacho want to say Betty, Facebook for Betty, or want to say Francisca, or want to say Ernestina Ernestina, me jidi se radiadom onso ho ye. Ma me se wakoto na wo mi oten na wo mi erade enhra wo bebre, me jidi se radiadom. Mo nyina mo ho eye obia ho ye. British man ben. British man a wo frɛ me say o pese wo ba baabi a me wona na eye wa o ka kyerɛ me say wo yare da baabi nti no ehe fa na ehe wo eye wurade nyankopon akwese na me yiwadi na sa de wasan sɛ no waye ne kama afi de wasan sɛ no Charles, Debbie. We dress and then so be a lawyer. Nippers soon and so be an and Conwani Cala no de Bamonian salmon. Assemble Crane. Lawyer, made that would trade your bonyanko pabas a yadom say what to me abaso. Adofone for and for Pipiara Roche, Chiao, Epium, and they are mascot solicitors and atnas lawyer, lawyer, Mr. Emrenico, it's me jama, Chadafo, which you may have told you mediator because Emrenico that me does.
You wait here for in your nominate of your mamuni na live, and we are going to have a very lovely session. Your friend lawyer Pauline, me Juma were mascot solicitors, mene lawyer Frank, our back program you so mene Juma. There was several other lawyers also were your office, and I handle various areas of law. You share family law, say ABR. When nipa kuna when no war ebia bibia ba montem enti relationship na nkoyi ana ebia wo cut to some form of abuse we nyama ye hwe say ebia ware no so ebia nyama nkoso ye afi de aba ewiye etumi boa your client in that area. Anything related to family and children no ye wo department I handle matters no ye share housing matters and so say were issues with your landlord or with your tenants, sanyama no mascots, your lawyers are moshe sanyama. Say eba corporate matters and our person will be court. Na who say now be no be to me afraid na ya hwe bibia ma. Say eba no so say ebia wunya hoden wo nipemu. And to the extent, say, Abia, you can't take decisions regarding Wusikasem and now who say transaction now wokomuno, you will need an expert to assist you. And now Abia, what say, and house, and property matters, you need assistance for you need to employ Obi to me assure in that area no, or to take decisions for you. No. We are the law firm that handles those matters, LPs, yeshini na se banon so se ebia water dying, conveyancing related matters. Your lawyers are moshe sanyamano. Se ba ebi so our person your will. Sometimes non confidence say ebia so your will because we who say de wuko but and yes sir because what person will make sure say you have that power to be able to appoint people to take your assets based on how you want it and not based on senior laws. No, we are there to assist our clients as well. So Ebanon also say what per general advice. Yeah, no mamu. Say about immigration law, immigration no so because and kasafa immigration into no make various aspects. Say about ebi a wopese wo ba hanom wo ba besra wa down for ana ebi a wo ba behwe Big Ben ana Buckingham Palace seba no so say ebi a mampanyin no wo Ghana no or ba hanom you are part of the delegation that is coming with him. There are specific visas for those things. You to me boa clients in that area. So ebi awo ba hanum for school, ebi awo ya kola, and now we opinion, you share those areas as well. So you're skilled worker, you are coming based on a specific kind of routes. You to make advice, so if you are eligible or if you are not. So what ba hanum, so just to visit ana ebi you are coming to stay on the basis of what mame ana wo yire ana wo kunu awa hanum so all areas Mascot Solicitors is there for you. And that is where we stand with regard to our work as a law firm. Aside that, our telephone numbers are easily accessible. We'll be to me after your office line, your mobile line, and so on. You can get in touch with us. So what friend you can just leave a message and then we'll get back to you. Just in case a friend or not you can leave a message. Now you know exactly what you want. It means so bano say what should share your office baby your office will Enfield, so we are reachable by coming in physically or by making a telephone call, as well as reaching us through your email address. No, any of these routes would be able to get access and know how best to advise you. Apart from that, sɛ ɛba no nso sɛ wɔpɛ general advice biribi wɔ hɔnom a wonyɛ too sure before wɔpɛ sɛ wɔkɔ transaction bi mu anaa wɔpɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi a wonyɛ sure wɔpɛ sɛ wɔhu what the laws are, so that ɛnyɛ ne sɛ afei na wɔwɔ mu no afei na wɔwɔ sɛ Awurade manyɛ the right thing. We are there to assist you, to give you the best of advice so that you are able to take an informed decision regarding your welfare and your well-being, as well as your assets, should that be the case. Ene yepese yekasafa public funds ho. Yen nyinaa yɛnim sɛ generally say woyɛ immigration application as part of decision say decision is successful ɔmo bɛtwerɛ also say generally bɛtwerɛ also say you do not have access to public funds. Ebi ɔmo bɛtwerɛ say you can work, you can study, you can do so many things, but public funds ɔmo twerɛ say you do not have access to it. But nkurɔfoɔ bi nso wɔ hɔnom say home office decision but so visa no is successful we be also much also say you have access to public funds. Inti enne ye pese ye kasafa obi a owo access to public funds dada ana obi a wonni access to public funds, but based on what system nti wo hu say say wunya public funds to be able to take care of either wo hu ana obi a wo hwe no ana obi a owo wo care, if I can put it that way. First thing I'll be to say, who is eligible for this kind of route? Generally, obia or family route. Family route, and yes, say abia we ba ana we yere ana we kunu, not necessarily so, but obia wo visa so it's on the basis of your based on the fact that wo parents. Ana we ba of a British citizen, ana obia or settled, ana obia or British overseas visa. It means so no say ABI you are married to that person. If you are on these kind of routes, generally you meet the eligibility requirements. It means so no say you are on a visa on the basis of you're on a visa on the basis of your private life. In such a situation, you would generally meet stage 1 of the eligibility requirements, if I can put it that way. Obi nso baby say inti sa fe na mekoye immigration application because me ba no a British citizen me ho e me no. Is this the case? Say me to me generally for this kind of discussion na fee waiver is a different application, but enye no ho asem na yeka obi a wo visa sesia says wo visa sesia either wo recourse to public funds or wunni access to public funds wo pese wo hwe senior wo betumi enya access to public funds. So first of all it will me ban say ebia so what are some of the reasons? Edentina and then obi to me gina so it to me akatre if you can see for na say me here access to public funds. Generally so what visa dada, that means so visa dada omo say you have access to public funds. It to me ban say so visa no ko wu na we renew yeni na yenim say sia no say we general application leave to remain because we jina wo baso those kind of applications na went to timelines for saa visa application no eche, because enye priority application na why priority application no say what yeah those kind of applications are right after your biometric appointment, the day after you are getting winya with decision. Now I can say hey radia fede BBI fine mami we better say my boundary lines are falling in pleasant places. No. So what yeah, so why yeah fee waiver application that means generally no won't to mention and the timelines for those applications no it's to me a check. You can't really be expecting a decision quickly. But Sebana said, on your previous visa, no, you had access to public funds. In such a case, no, it may ban say, access to public funds, no, it me tra. And now sometimes, no, there are delays before you can get your decision. Into Sebana, you would want to consider say what be your application in order to be able to continue accessing public funds. Now, no, public funds generally, no, and yes, say obia na automatically when your public funds. No. Sebana Dianka, and Janka mutua national insurance tax, no kadebia say some tax your money na eja mu ni sika no omu betumi ahwe omo but enkonesa. Enti some of the reasons ABA ebana say na why your application na with their two no why you destitute we need baby a obeda wo ba na wojina no so no British citizen ana ABA wo ba no baby aye no ana se ban we ne body ni mu a or health condition ana or some severe condition because of that no if you don't have access to public funds no sure the child cannot be taken care of and say chrome hanom no say bankola sema the welfare of the child is primary number one before bibia in such a case no you can put in an application say based on that no if you can say for monhwe emame na metumi enya access ama akola no na metumi ahwe no na metumi enya sika now no let me say eba no say you are not eligible for public funds and say eba no say why your application why application because with visa ewu and you are renewing it and you haven't received a decision and you go ahead to access public funds when you were not eligible. It can affect you in the sense say you may have breached an immigration condition because who say what decision things you can do and things you cannot do. And so your new application say have you breached any conditions? If you have breached any conditions, and we have spoken previously about the implications of some of these things, but and there it is changing conditions full swing. Knowing all these things, now you want to make sure say the right things and I will go through the right procedures. Bana say ABA based on exceptional circumstances, based on what condition then you want to put in this application. Not in the interim, no whilst what train will visa application no I will continue to stay for another 2.5 years. You know say you are sorted. Now no so no etumi ba no so say ebia wo wujina wo baso ana wujina ukunu ana wo yere so for wo pay for one krata ena why immigration application ana it could even be say when your visa dada ena yeni na yenim say it is valid for 2.5 years before we visa no be no whether 1 year or 6 months or 1.5 years or 2 years after when your visa no ahotre abemu to the extent say wuntumi nhwe wo ho. In such a case no if you can see for almost provided the option for you to be able to apply na which will be to me in your access to public funds because with visa no previously no wouldn't need a freedom no so it's a would to me access now it's me ma nyama p would to me apply for universal what do you call it credits it means so ban say abia say no what PIP so because of ABA, an injury or medical condition or based on what sits nemunti or PIP so in such a situation if you can see for almost allow it for you to be able to put in this kind of application now to mean access to public funds reason being that at the end of the day you don't end up breaching an immigration condition and then you have challenges they make sure they they cover you, if I can put it that way, or more cover so that now we are well protected. Now, no, nti sɛ ɛba no say a nyame what kind of things na ebe here yɛaka first of all say one of the things you could be looking at ne sɛ wonni baby a wobɛda, why you're homeless, why you're destitute. In such a case, no, you would provide efficacy for no why you are saying this, because it's so moved to me so that they can stand on that to be able to give you access. Say eba so say ebi awoka say wusika sema say in such a case, no, you should be able to provide your financial circumstances. Say, I come with financial circumstances, so we boy juma, of course, we be now pay slips. So we boy juma, ebia ejuma miunua. You must provide all these things. Omo be here will pay bank statements, because a wo boy juma sikana omo or pay slip no so no sa sikano, that is what will be reflecting on your bank statement. So they want to be able to see say sikana bemu. It means so bana say ebia wo employer no ne juma say inti na ne juma say inti won so we juma say wuntumi nya ejuma in the interim. In such a case, no, you want to be able to show your unique circumstances. Say we juma na asaya. One of the things you can be providing is P45. P45 to show say ejuman abai we and as say no wunya new job. Say wo ye ejuman so say how much you earn, no, you provide that. And we employer no so bet sure I can say it's your or bet sure your circumstances based on wejuma and yeah about the quality of your work and all that. No. And no home office someone share sanya mano. It means so bana say say yɛka sikasɛm a once a wɔka sɛ wo sikasɛm ɛnyɛ nti wontumi nhwɛ wo ho ne wo ba no, they would also want to know say is it the case sɛ wowɔ condition wankasa a ɛno it serves as a barrier. Is it sɛ ebi a wontumi nante anaa ebi a wo mu ayɛ duru to the extent sɛ afei deɛ moving about becomes a problem so that it affects your well-being. Those are some of the things they want to look at. Sɛ ɛba no nso sɛ ebi a your mental health, if I can put it that way, because mental health it's quite vast, but when mental health affects you to the extent say it's to mean you are not productive like how a normal person is expected to be productive. Those are reasons why they would want to look at that. Into GP records, assistance are wunya to show how the assessments that has taken place. Say banon so say womba omo ebia woba for one reason or another, no, the person is in that kind of condition. Ebia God forbid wenya ebia accident. As those you should be able to provide evidence of these kind of things. Say there are assessments going in place. You show all these things to be able to show the kind of situation the person is in. And these are the things if you can see for beshe. Na so mo sha who say okay. Pauline said this is her circumstances. We provided say to be able to show the situation she's in, to be able to meet the kind of threshold they are looking at. There are also instances it is discretionary. It could be say nyamana makanopono your situation no different. Is it the case said then you can't make this application? Application no. Just so far as you are able to show say you cannot take care of yourself, and maybe if you are taking care of your children, you are not able to do that. British children no. In such a case no, then you put in all these things. Let me also add and so say because generally, this kind of application, it is to allow you to be able to access public funds into a yesika cement, and yes, say what we jumasem unkwa because they will provide a bank statement. Omo person who say sikana efa account ni mono. What do you use it for? Is it for needs? Is it for wants? Is it what they try say where maintenance a high level? In such a case, is it say government omo be use musika to maintain a high level? Is that the case? In such a case, then say omo way options now. You would virtually go down because what they are providing is just the bare minimum to be able to support other people. Now no, sɛ sika a ɛfa wɔ account ne mu no emu yɛ duru a you don't use it for basic or essential things, then it becomes a cause for concern. So sika na ɛfa sika na ɛfa wɔ account ne mu no, you want to be able to show what it is used for so far as they are hefty. Sika na emu yɛ duru. Is it say wode tua rent, wode tua school fees, wode tɔ nyama ma wo mba? Those are the kind of things, well, it could meet the requirements. But say ebia usika na wonya no eja de bia wonim say sure banker one day no lotto na wo ye no wo be winni. Say ba na sa say usika no ekofa sa areas na, that means say wo sika you can actually, you can actually use it for something else. Until you should be able to provide reasons for the monies in your coming into your account on one hand, and as you can also know a few accounts, what do you use it for? And then the justification should be helpful. It means so bana say ebia obi ma osika, and ebia say ya woman sika call different country, and ebia they call way Ghana. Say Banasa, you want to provide explanation. Say, why do you use it, and for what purpose do you use it for? These are some of the reasons. Omobeshe. Say Banonso say, wo nkola wo hwe omo. Is it the case say nkola no sikana wo de hwe omo no? Is it enough? Is it not enough? And is it say sikana wo nya no? Is it just the bare minimum based on what sisine mu? Those are some of the things efficacy for omobeshe. And in such a case, no, so almost share with unique circumstances, then they would be adding that up to make a decision. Essentially, no, they would be looking at sikani na eba wo account nimu, and not just account na what would the bema efficacy for no, because you'll be filling a consent form. And the consent form no ema efficacy for no akukudro say omon share wo accounts muni na, so they would have exposure to your financial history. And he said, assuming say womonzo account, we use it for different things, and maybe a nyama kofa honom and no one fan trade home office for no omobe huni na. So they would see your entire financial your financial life to be able to assess your circumstances. Essentially, no, omo share your income by way of sikana eba wa account ni mono. On the one hand, na afe no omo share wo expenditure based on your needs and your wants, and then based on that, no, they make a decision. In a case where ABR, the reason why you are applying for this kind of application, no, it is not based on financial reasons, but not the primary reason being financial, but ABR based on the medical condition of ABR woba or something like that, no, then you want to be able to provide enough information by way of nkrata ebetre nya wo pese wo tre home office, no, so that they will be able to make a decision. Now, no, enti se wo provide we muni na, what would happen is say they would assess it and make a decision. So more decision na, so more grant here, that means that automatically, no, it is tagged onto your decision. Enti one, say ebia wo visa enwuye wenya this kind of access to public funds, no, that means say you can immediately apply for it. Say eba no nso say why your application what train decision wenya this decision immediately you can access public funds. Until by the time I will be with decision no so no, you realize say it will be an enforcement of the same thing. Obi nso bebisa say nti afe na menya no, that means say eja afe de mechele we your friend say what baby amewo, because menya public funds mean here I don't need to do anything, because say visa application no omo say you're on the 10-year route to settlement or you're on the 5-year route to settlement. Nti afe na say does it really mean say as I say may renewal every time? Not necessarily. But the point is say every time once your previous decision was based on recourse to public funds, no, so with a new application, they will be looking at your unique circumstances again. In nyama na what they call home office, no, say bana say ebi awo can say na we need baby awo beda. So because of that, omo housing allowance or council tax reduction, no. Is it the case say see now a new application after your successful decision, no, Is it the case say omo de bema obiom? It is not entirely so. If your circumstances are the same, no, then that means say you would get it. But if it is not the same as Isiano, why you're comfortable, you are able to take care of yourself, you have a place to stay with ease, then it will be lifted. So Banon so say condition now no, you are still in that same condition. In such a case, no, it would continue. You will continue to have access to public funds until your circumstances change. Say Banon so say Abia assisne mu na wo no ama wonya public funds no sesia no more issues abakra mana more complicated then that means that when you are making the new application no as I said we will add it on to it, and that would enable, I mean, it would just confirm the reason why you should have access to public funds. But of course, the implication, let's say, by applying for the public funds, no, you would have more funds to be able to address the needs that you have. Obi nso bebisa say, so by implication, no, it can be say you can be on public funds, and it will be also say at a point, no, to me you wait so, and you can go back, and it will all be based on your circumstances. Now, say obi nso wo ho a ne access to public funds no. Now or yeah, application for change in conditions no, it was refused no. Is it the case say now Omar refuse no? No, you can put it in again because changing conditions is essentially to show say your condition at the time now what your application no, and now at the time now when the application no no was assistant. So you want to show why that is the case. Immediately your circumstances change, you can put that in if it is refused, and then you can't be heard again. At the end of the day, this is just to make sure say ebema will life and paknona the person is closely connected to you to say ebia woba a wujina no life be comfortable so that you will be able to live better and live well. And on the whole, no, this is what change in conditions application is about. But say it's here for more questions be mo bebisa wo way so we are happy to provide the necessary assistance because ahanom ne de bibia free nti ye beboa in any way. Say question nso bi wo ho anoma question bi wo ho if at different areas, but immigration will be happy to assist. But say immigration your office be to me ahwe no ama it's here for nti so for my meme da sepa. But you say menkasa. Okay, nti flowing from this no obi nso be bisa say nti what are the benefits of getting access to public funds? Access to public funds no, once when you access to public funds no, it will make boa say abia wo ba or severe ADHD abia wo ba no wobano ebia if the child is so addicted say untumi akolano the child cannot live outside with friends and all that inti sa akolano ese se woman homeschooling ese se sa akolano every 5 minutes no obe ne mame ye ne carer ne mame ye ne bibia. In such a case no, by having access to public funds no, what as a parent no, allow the peace of mind to be able to provide for wobano. Secondly no, so no, it may ban so says asikana winya no, you have the peace of mind to also be able to care for your child so that wobano enya fe na obeko school na onya peace of mind we won't say obe isolated onya the kind of good vibes it's so onya so with school by way of connecting with friends, being able to no bisa questions necessarily obey ne homeschooling ni bibia wo fie na counsel no omobe assist in the best way possible. Obi nso be bisa say enti are there disadvantages with So for Mami Mpacho Mentwaso.
Ina me pacho montro eye 0208 075 2860 eye 0208 075 2860 me pacho ofre na aye biza omo mobile number is 073 864 54673 073 864 54673 lawyer akasa bebre me pacho me beautiful lines no e dia tum wasa ye beautiful lines na dia tum no na ye busa lawyer questions ama na ya no e de amaye eti mesra wa wo pese wo frɛ no obetumi afrɛ studio number 0750242275 okasa 799 okasa fa fee waiver ne okasa fa no recourse to public fund enso so ehum se woda so anase uniso na afi na wo pese wo koso requirement a wo behia ni nyina wo kafa ho entime pacho obetimi afre. Hello, good morning. Any question emfa enem komodie no kra betimi afre me pacho wa wo phone so good morning pacho yenko.
Good morning. Good morning.
Me pacho je wa wo TikTok phone so yes darling sweetie yenko.
Okay, lawyer me pacho obi da partner route so or G benefit or recourse to public funds, or person or putting in a new application based on domestic abuse. Me paucho say or putting in application based on.
Hold on, Mami. Me pacho yenko opportunity
benefit will continue or a better policy until a decision is made on the new application.
Lawyer yenko.
Mame, thank you so much for question now we be for domestic application. There are ways in which you can apply for public funds before you actually make the actual application. No, enti obetumi aye. Ne ho entry no.
Good morning, Medofo.
Good morning.
Maybe some question for fee waiver application.
Pachoma kasa nkoso fee waiver yes, uti.
The question is the payment for the period. The name almost a bank account almost get provided 12 months a year TSA Nipano child benefit universal credit. At the same time, they provided 6 months
bank statement.
Yeah. Now, 12 months, no question after 6 months. Now, I can be into the good years, I can be free of it. And I can't acquire any more. And the same who says, so I can't acquire free of it. Yeah, the statement in a account and hard.
Sir Canada, a very reflected. Sika bi a wo spend wo bank statement ne so ya no mo peso mu hu de wo di sika ne yeye ena na lawyer kan se wo misuse sika no wo sorry a wo ye example say odi William Hills chacha lotto e bia bosu bia da bia no akotwa lotto peso di 1 million pounds eno no wa misuse sika no wo sorry a obo be hwe account da bia na di sika ko Ghana every day da bia wo send wo ti also ye destitute wo ni sika. And so there be our call. Example, they say particularly a mushe baby a shopping around. And no near the mushe pa or mushe baby a shopping around. There be a now we see fridges. A 1 atom pabwa slippers about 1,500 pounds. And pabwa what a less a cry 500 pounds or more mount. What I say into a mushe a be a pramak na would you ja or more minimum so you're destitute. But also they are shop akese na ukumu a wo no ye ma wo enti e kana wachi no is good because e kana wo de ne wa aban mu enti ne it reflects enti no go against you. What you say
na almost a grab them for a statement so child benefit ni no 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 account like bank statement so who here say the balance account.
Lawyer was saying cry no almost fa proof of benefit. Na proof of benefit no e wo bank statement ni so. Into fa bank statement ni nkwa no fa letter nka ho.
Mpacho enti for the bank statement, if Mpacho if bank statement
okay.
Aside that, so they can actually provide that. And a canon suna unyaye no on provided explanation as to what led to it and what it has been used for.
Na kan fa so baaye ne fa ko me pacho bra ye wi afre lawyer questions ne dos na me fo bi foforo me pacho magi enko lawyer ti
Good morning.
Good morning me dofo pa
Mpacho wo mezendo for lawyer no why quick question bi make me was Spanish passport ba obo November and I meza call for renewal ma what's a bra me the way to mpada me call France motum meza akwa and also da mo try new one.
The omode promoted I didn't get it clear. Ukra Spanish passport to say the crime. And na ewu yenya ha se passport to na wo kwaje fofra. Omo bra we new one na be wo mo say no.
Enti we return wo twetwem na wo return.
What does it mean?
Like they put holes in it.
And I say you wunti asai wunti me fen to kwan.
Okay.
Example like this. Tie we omo dia bread omo dia returning it back. We old one me passport ewu and omo returning it back. Me even say we 2018 omo returning it back into omo returning it back in we mintimi fan to kwan mintimi fan ko pa adwuma.
Okay, na mezi no November.
Enti wo de na wo de na omo tuatue mu no ewu November kra na enye adwuma bi because mo serial number wom number na ebeba na asesa.
Okay, nso asa mo twa new.
Enti e wasa wo twa new one no omo tuatue mu ne de enye adwuma.
Okay, me dan se bebre.
And as for my Mpacho, I'll add and so say generally I can't say for Spain, but generally, so who to choir, your visa, your passport, as I say, a valid for at least 6 months. And it's our November, dear, unto me, you say, because our corner be big bow honoma or beka.
But me, how ye, me were Ireland. And me worry and me di buy. Into me buy and not time na corona time. Into omuma me 6 months for me about 2019 no. Into early January 2020 no omuma me 6 months before omube for 5 years no. And omo 5 years. 5 years no me kwa no. Na me passport aka 3.5 years. Intim omuma me 3.5 na omo say me new one say me new one ba na omo didi aka no asoso amam inti before e be wu no me ma ye new one Ghana na e di bre me na me di call
Na da Ireland ho mo nye passport ho
Debi o
ti mo Ireland mo be passport agi se mo ko no Ghana
no just say UK ana say
ana Ghana
close to ambassador no
enti ukoye free Ghana omo beje
yeah because Ghana no me insani na wo dada
okay
nti just renew one ti omo ye enu na omo di buy nti me di call no omo ma me di aka no nti ebewu no ebewu 2024 5 nti enemy I was say me renew nti me free lawyer migration lawyer Ewa, ena omusi o mi ankasa metimi ye ankasa betimi akore ni. Nti ye share form ye my form no na ye renew ye koye. Omudi beba no na omudi 1 year pe ena di bae.
Nana akasen 2 years anana akasen.
No, na 5 years no aso. Nti I was say anka I was say ye indefinite.
Na se wo kasa no wo se na wo passport na ka 3.5 years. Nti 3.5 years no mo ka kire wo say omo be ma based on wo passport no nti omo ma wo 3.5 years instead of 5 years no. And omo ka kire wo say wo koye wo nkrata o passport ne ba omo the remaining 1.5 years no ebeso so e di amount enti say ne 1.5 years na no mo di amount na
No, mama me 1.5 no na esu 5 years no. Into 5 years no na ebewu 2025 last year. Into I was say me applying so say for renew. Me nim say I was say me nkoye indefinite. Because every immigration wa no omoka che say oyanka say betimi akoye we nye problem bia.
Enti wo year for renewal. Enti renewal no mo bre 1 year.
Yeah.
Auntie say a new application for indefinite. Lawyer mo ye adwuma wo se wo ye lawyer wa ha otimi ye adwuma wa Ireland. England and Wales mebwa.
Yes.
Timon ko Ireland.
Yes.
Oh.
In American onhwehwe lawyer, immigration lawyer wo Ireland na obeboa no wo honum.
Right. Me pacho wa wo se wo friend me mfa me pacho me sorry na ma holding call for betumi afre studio number is 0750242279 0750242279 obetumi afre nana ba kofi
yeah mama pacho otemenka
me ton kan suedi
oh mama nyamishira
mama
ba kope
me
feel brutal
wo feel me nana ba on fa gift into so
oh yeah mama mi hunu ha wa si che ade no just o kire me
ade so mo so ne kire wo
ai mi hunu ye mama mi
nana yenko me do papa yenko
mate me da se ene adwuma pa wo bo mama na mi busa o fee waiver application e free ana say eno so ye charge eno na me pese be bisa
lawyer de wo call lawyer ho a obeju uska because no ne ese na da age no waye ba home office untua fee waiver no e kire say me fa ne say wo kwa akoye wo nkrata lawyer kire mu say omo qualify for fee waiver no eye wo bi a watena ha 20 years na akoye wo nkrata obi a wugina wo baso age nkrata
yeah
wa wo yes skill worker won ka ho for fee waiver won ka ho enti bia na wo nkrata dada wo kwa ko renew wo betimi aye fee waiver ana afei na wo koye nkrata no wo betimi aye fee waiver spouse visa betimi aye fee waiver na fee waiver no eye free
okay
omo de mawa omo grant fee waiver na home office unjia home office ka NHS surcharge meaning immigration surcharge unjia ka se home office onkrata na akoye no obebo ka 30,000 kura na ye grant fee waiver na unjia
okay
na emomo no lawyer chimo se e wo se wo ye fee waiver application no na wo mo de maw ansa na wo de code na wo mo de amaw no aya application akọ home office omo betimi agina so refuse you emre ne konti na lawyer kasa wi me nso ma memu bi no omo betimi akasa omo mfa maw bra o madoso pa on ana ya djumo care home ana nezri oya o ma why are de nyame nshira enti no fee waiver no home office will be decide say omo de be maw ana omo mfa maw based on information I would abre wo mo
okay
enti no me advice say wa person ye fee waiver bia no for lawyer en hye dem nye because bia na ade sika bi asie wo baabi bia won person lawyer home office fo be hu ba wo de call lawyer ho a lawyer betimi a kire wo say this time on fee waiver no menye yen twen build your account ne kakra because bia na wayi sika bi afrim wa transfer sika bi afrim a wa ye shopping bi wo shop akese online TikTok you say what so na wo da nneoma ebeba saa ye se shop bi de shin o se shin wo be shin ni saa nti nneoma ne beba no na nwura nko an so no akotwea be gu na wo mo hwe da bia wo da nneoma da bia wo mo beka se o bia wo kra ne yemfa ma inti sa na tinti enye free ba wo ma lawyer ya ma wa lawyer de obeji ne lawyer fee but enye free
okay
what you say
person ko ye bi organ entra
o ko ye fee we ni bi organ a wo de o ko fa ba
every Ghana de aba sika no obeji mo na minya inti na me de fa fee we side
na o ko fa wo baba na ye kuntunkuni ba
David
nyame ehirawa okay wo frɛ lawyer obeya ama no akofa na ba why
madasi mama ya ma o monchire me ha wa mesi
me pa cho monchire na na kofi na o yire we
na pa cho na me kasa o France
wo yire wo France na wo we
me wo UK
na enkura na egu nche mebrebe no omo maame we
esra wo France
wakosra aha wo maame wo yire wo ha wo yire wo TikTok ama na nchire wo
okay
send ye gift no why yo me da say Theodora Theo
oh hello Stabna
yes darling sweetie good morning to you yanko
Stabna de me ho ala mame
wa me na wo wa me e komodi me
15 years ago when I was born man nyame krata
oh sweetie ure fi me da ena ti okwapo wo so wa me na me de komodi me na o me miska e bi ni
Mr. na beto me ka
yanko
eti when the question back na me busa ma my sister wako
busa
ai den krata no e me se den krata or entitled to public funding abai na aboa na but oba or condition it is say no wa akwakoja to so ono a ebehwe ne ba no nti wo ye ne ba no main care anti ya fa na adwuma me fa se komana abai na fa na adwuma se on sha akora no it is or busa se okoye first no oye application bi na free no me free say na ya employing so on trend ba na you tua ne ka no say o sai koye application for okoye application na obetua na because say the circumstance na say or your main carer yet tua ne ka
abai ni tua ne ka say
abai ni tua ne ka o tua ne ka more than say bia o tua ne ka be about 3,000 pounds a month
3,000 pounds a month
3,000
okay lawyer ne circumstance ono an ne first nkrata utua kameboa utua
when abane man free
when you say you still okay ba say no was see utua ne ka 3 almost about 3,000 pounds
wo de hwe ne ba
debut akura ni sika na ye wu sika
akura ni sika
kwa na ye 3,000 pounds
Debbie, I sika ka ho ana ma
eh ne se kan nko modidi
sika ne no kwa so be boni di kwa because I say nipa bebre na di beba ho
aha Debbie na se nipa ni baba ho a wo muni baabi a wote and wo sister pro no so akọ muni lawyer 3,000 plus no ai won koye adwuma wo baabi a wo what you say nti ya ban na ho ne free eba which is oni pay slip obi o meka se kofa pay slip ukoye fee waiver mo ma o kire ekwan sika ni free so ba account so ba we de ye wo mo government na ho e no mo de sika ne ma no me fa say disability allowances any care me wa enti sika ni nyina no mo kabo ma any universal ne ho anwan no mo twia wo dan kama separate me wa enti me fa ne say 3,000 plus a month no obetimi still a continue your fee waiver no and on because it's sika dodo
enti enye yes or no answer but near ebeba ne say once wo ye wonya benefits no that means say wumbo ejuma enti your friend is saying benefits na wonya no eno na ema wa hoden ena wuntua hwe, but the moment we adwuma kakra no wo benefit na wonya no ebeba down kakra, so that ebe supplement it na etumi aye equal equation, if I can put it that way. But so far as wonya benefit no, and to make sure say sika na wonya based on benefits no ena adwuma nso na wo ye no, it is not enough to take care of wo ana mipakno na wo kasa ama no ne ba no mo betumi aye no na mo etumi etua immigration application as well as immigration health surcharge fees na, then omo bema mo what do you call it, fee waiver, and then you continue to remain on the access to public funds. And it's really up to you, yes, but wo betumi aye.
Dying.
Pacho, Yankopon as me pacho, me wo assembly bisaka cra, menuia barco, na yina pea dem woman, no mon farmer, a pea, why a pea.
Appeal. Make us so see pea.
Because enti, se men fan say,
a dear who no ye appeal, a dear and crata no ye appeal or home.
I say, me or catch me say, EU said then, and to move soon. And to Odom, and she says, if you are no better me, I are way. And I say, almost
you know, dear no, or a dear application or ye, ebi or ya worry or your adoption.
And any dear Miss Sunny,
a dear and crata and you crown our dear you know.
Any dear mean head that Miss Sunny, I don't know what church.
Wouldn't move this hour, the bar, I be a no crass skill worker visa. And ye chum no dear family visa. And no different yana buy.
Now, me patrol bet me I worry.
It depending. Enti family visa not just on worry down.
Patrol there.
Enti lawyer wire appeal them. Appeal the farmer no. Where she will be or me patrol. I worry I will worry dear cogen crata na or worry dear tenny fee.
Say a ya worry si be mountain.
I na me pesa say I worry on any be woman dear so bit me I worry. And no dear appeal no gains in our de cogen crata na.
Set nimi no be the bedroom crata na say.
Oh worry meba. I worry do be at me what an crata da fikisi mu crana yes so bit me I worry. But enka wo hu dear wo effikisi mo na nkebe boa. In this case no say all worry. Aya opeso hu say owo appeal lawyer me say the question ni owo appeal wo fikisi ba wo peso hu say appeal ne da na expending no yenya mfre no obetumi no hia wo bi wa ha oware nipa na obetumi asan ya another nkrata fresh application e de akọ home office ho asa wa appeal wo ho no sister nyesa na apeso kire
okay enti sister ni ameka ne say Senipakno no na owo nkrata ansa na oye EU application yi a omu refuse ya, then na ewo appeal no obetumi aware. But se oni nkrata sisi no oye appeal no, then that means say na oni nkrata really. So ontumi enye sa aware no. I would not advise that. So or other routes there would be other routes obetumi ahwe de ahwe na sitnemu wa hanom, but so we who be odono ebeboa no, but not for immigration.
You are 5 years renewal no wanya ne de obetimi de atu kwan ana. Automatic renewal, EU automatic renewal. Ye de ma wa obetimi de atu kwan.
Mpacho I obetimi de
yes, me pacho obetimi de atu kwan. Nana I'll say. Nana say, Wadatina.
Mama.
Yes, darling.
Good afternoon.
Made off me also.
Skill worker for ni be Madam Fubina one ne partner by you kuntunkuni. Na me no akonyem. But on peso obey kuntunkuni no afri so. It's impatcho e kwan bi wo ho no ma wo a affect ne dependent na se ne
Ene wo a ma onkoje book bi a ma akora no. Onko register akora no fanto onfa me now de ni kunu no de ne ba ye na edin hye so. Akora no nyame ya adom na se de oni ni free Ghana ba wo je ne nkrata wi a akora na papa betimi aba forward.
Me patwenti bibisa ne birth set no
onfa papa na oni ni free Ghana ba ona ye ni kunu emre mu no okok ode kwaje nkrata akora na ye beka se de odi ni free Ghana ba ye no na ye ni kunu to no ne de no fanto so se wo se won pese be sei ne nkrata ne be sei
mpachan
ai to onfa ono ni din to so nyame ya adom akora ne papa no biological father dem tem bi obebe bi obetimi abeje ne ba sesa akora ni din.
Okay, nti say yes ana ye kwosesa enye problem bia
mo kwosesa dey.
Okay.
Mo kwosesa dey.
Me pache say papa na nkasa ba ni mu a.
Oh yes. Oba ni mu a wo kwosesa DNA ne be prove.
Okay, ma.
Why?
Mate. And that's it. Yeah.
Lifestyle Ken.
Okay, ma.
Yes, darling, sweetie.
But for me, the year free one, ama bubu free no. Na ya application no. 1 year 2 months ni yenti omunkan.
Hey. Meba. Why you fee waiver na me dey amount?
Yes.
And na dey your application I check.
Yes. And 1 year 2 months ni munye we.
Nana wo my say.
But 3.
Omo nyina ye nkran na.
But omo ye nkran.
How many intervals na do montem?
1 year intervals.
Ada na kwai.
Na ye ntem ni asoleso.
Ewo nana wo bebro adwuma sem sei. Enti na omo nyina gina wo nche obi aso obi eye baby a wo kasai. To yire kwa adwuma na wo hwe wo mo.
But me on adwuma me na me kwazu.
Why adenya me hira wate. Aha kasa.
Enti say no yenim the way you want here hatchesa.
Ebeche say na home office ni time limit. Utiri ye ya ebeba ntem utiri nye ya ma ho 2 years.
Na say adi so ma 2.5 years o.
2.5 years om de ba beti afrim.
Sir. And in this case eba it means is it 1 year credit out.
1 year kwa wo mo de ba omo de ba wunti se wo kwa eba na wo ko renew bioma e na che wo kwa wo ti free.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
But is a fresh application there. E kodi 10 years ya omo de brewa unti free wo be continue. Na emom se me fa so omo de 2.5 years na bro. Na ewu na wo ko renew ne kodi wo mo ho cha e na de edi wo mo ho ache no muti free.
Ma but a renewal.
A renewal. And na akoche lawyer say renewal de ba wo beti afrim.
Entim Pacha say about renewal the good part about it is say from the date now be our decision no we nya another 2.5 years. Enti it doesn't really matter so far as we your application before previous one no ewu no and say so be how hope because your application is still pending. So now a decision now we nya another 2.5 years. What matters most in say so what 10 years and a 5-year route to settlement we be calculate times now waiting time decision time we be calculate that period ni na to the 5 years or 10 years enti men how hope but we be train kakra.
Morning Pacha yenko.
Babla, good morning.
Good morning, me do papa.
Pacha na ho ye de.
Nyame adom.
Me da sim so agye me so. Babla Pacha na me bisa say me di you presettle ni bi na ba ha say family de no. Na Pacha December be ni manya 4 years. Tim Pacha na me bisa say next year me nya me 5 years na. me wo ma wo Ghana on papa free se mpesa me kofo mo me hia death set for papa na ana wadaruma bi mu so na me bisa se menya me indefinite in this year na mpesa me kofo nkola na me use you rules na say me use UK rules
na then as abre ya wonyanya wo indefinite onkofo mo ma o ma papa ne mo ana nkofo mo ma
me ba cho me nim se be
yes friend asenyo mo papa
papa ni wo Ghana
there be wo no you use a settlement no a pre-settle one do ba wo ye den
am pa cho me senior sister ni ku na de me ba
okay ani age so mo na de nkra ne ba inti age se wo nya we indefinite ano akofo ma ba with the papa ne certificate no se wo be you nya we indefinite abi use UK law inti UK law say you law still betimi akofo ma ba
I say you can you pia
obetimi akofo ma ba yes na emom ye adwuma
ampacho me ye adwuma e wo university hospital mbacho na mehia death set nti
wo behia death certificate nti papa na owu Ghana no koje kope
ampacho mate nyame shira that's it
me pacho when ni favor sorry Joyce anim yenko
Mebacho, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, darling.
Mebacho, me dear ni say me sponsorship 5 years and I made it too. We are the student visa and me dependent me buy and ye ni be wuye. Te be wuye no. Anche bia ni nya 5 years but omo dia ma me partner but me am depend on for mommy Anna me sa yes me ye no mo say me sa nya appeal na me ye o man farmer me na me me na me grandpa e de ne you ne ma me na me to me pa just me nti o mo nka na me pa cho e de na metimi aya afa ho mommy
o grandfather de ne you ma na de to mo ne say
I made it to another from
also a grandfather didn't you ma on na the two we don't get it.
Made it to say men
so nana na eje watene mu ha.
So me
na oyo nana.
But I can't concern me.
Enti no prove no kofa no way.
Oh yeah, also be my evidence.
When they saw be my evidence, the evidence no wo.
Never just say.
Oh.
Amba ebusa no oka so benya bia maye.
Enti say no mo say home office for se fabra no wanya.
Me ba say am farmer na wo lawyer bi, lawyer ne ka so mo de ko
Enti no when lawyer ne ka so lawyer ne ye ma no so benya evidence na ma.
Aha, ba ye nti o mo nka.
Onti hwan mo nka lawyer na say efficacy mo.
Home office for.
Lawyer ne de ko.
Me ba chan wo de ko ba
nti wo de ko de abeto o mo nka nti twen.
Ana too me pacho masabe wo ha ana obi na ye mame
akra ne papa
ai
anti akra ne papa ye British
so be aha obe sign mame nanka me nanka we ne mfa nanka me dia to so na pacho no so be ye sa
yo oba si yenko ohun nsem doso
Pacho, good morning.
Yes, darling.
Pacho, good morning.
Yes, darling. Good morning, Midofopa.
Me Pacho, auntie abna. Me nyo bi e kuntum kulia wa.
Wa waro no kunu netie.
Me Pacho, me ko Ghana na me ko fefro ba na. Me ba na 7 months me nya kola no.
Oh.
Iti edwuma mi ama maternity na bisa say sa no. Metimi e dia many months because ya mama 6 months, you say up to 6 months.
Ya ma maternity leave.
Me Pacho ai.
So okay, into almost 6 months.
By me manager said 10 person me baby ya wa mama 6 months by 10 person banting bia
enti die na person
the person go di 3 months for Ghana na me bisasa akonya wo ho
na wo sa akonye modeba
there be me say de nka me nya abotre kakara
twen na je wo nkrata ni wi o indefinite no ha o worry ye how many years ni
me pa November no me nya 4 years
4 years in tinka pesa wo ba because oni mse se wo kwanyem de ba wo ye papa we di o
me ba cho se de nka nyi se ne de nka me twen ama dache papa na ba me ha ba But person can be coffee question konano.
I say o mama 6 months dey abetimi akọ.
By them maybe say once you assume free her 90 days or by all we know krata na ye be how.
Lawyer, okra you 5 years aware obetimi akodi.
You had there.
Okra British dey na say 2.5 years. Lawyer British aware okra 2.5 no. Obetimi akodi 3 months or Ghana.
Well, sir, obetumiama, well, one sir, obetumiama, justifiable reason, no, that should not be a problem. But na o kasano, mbacho kase we akolano we nyana na. Okay, inti so kase we nya akolana. What I would rather be thinking of, no kasano, baby, a madre fact was regarding Nejuma Sem. Say regarding Nejuma Sem, no, what are the rules regarding say wo back now or maternity so? Winya akolano. So that is what's a honum na mefa na madren ho. But so person go for 3 months there, it's it's a choice. I won't now be to me exercising, but I would rather be thinking along those lines. Not say bibi ba wadren ho ye before wa fasa adren no. Yeah.
The grata na me renew for
2 months you okay. 2 months and 90 days. You okay. And na 2 okra o tangible reason o reason obedi 3 months okra na okay because on krata renew ani drew wa wo wenya wo ba no emotionally no we down enti no now person wo kwa we wo holiday enti you have a tangible reason to give enti you okay. And na 2 lawyer na adwuma no is sort out because see adwuma mu for na man 6 months. Remember say wa anwo wo na ye 1 year. Ono ne de wa anwontie bi onya miscarriage because 7 months de ebi onya miscarriage anase wo physically na akra na ewu preterm preterm meboa enti akra na ewu enti wawu a omo mma ne maternity so nkotena fie na se maame ne ho odin a omo mma ne saa 1 year length no okotena fie ho na okohwe no enti 6 months no mo de ama no which is very good enough enti 6 months de na emotionally eduru wona 6 months no kra no fu se wunye woke a so mutua woka
bebacho ai
ti eduru wa na won pese obekwa no asosun mu me ba no mi hu no wow enti emotionally no on pese obekwa adwuma obetimi aka cho mo se adwuma no ebia wontimi ma on be ma wo mre kakra ama wa recover na 6 months dey I think say enough and I will Ghana no so betimi akọ o 3 months na person kodi a wo ye won krata na lawyer betimi atro together with the evidence e wo ho nti 2 months no betimi akodi 2 months no
me pache yo me da sipa
wo si 6 months na wo tifie no adwuma mfo ni tua woka
me pache o esi this month ya
ba wo mu tua
eti afena ye betua ka ba me manager na se me call for 6 months
na 6 months o se kono ne nka obetua woka. Oh, that's good.
For 4 years.
That's good. Obetua woka de ne ekodai. Na ne ekojeje wa home bra why. I lawyer adwuma mu fo ni nim akwara na asem ti no mama ne 6 months gap no so nkotena.
The evidence ni na I war hospital ni na mama me dia.
You ko se wate foforo be ba why. Ya me be ye wadome de be ba kra be ntafo. Me pacho wa wofo ne so ne yenko.
Mr. Bram, so me na me friend first, no. But now my line, no, not network, no, maintain response a lawyer, my lawyer. So me na me star say, I am me were recourse to public funds on a spousal visa, married to a British, and I semi switch akọ domestic.
Lawyer me matonka. Lawyer say any problem, or can say any problem. Ona can say domestic abuse. It benefit will continue, and I say be no me. And lawyer can say any problem. Obapa, your last 2 callers. Obapa Gloria.
Sister, good afternoon.
Yes, made of Papa.
Pacho, no me be a question say me 2.5 for sober. My last one my last one on last year December. But me 10 years no, every do next year March. And maybe I say Makes me indifferent, 10 years now. I just am trying to say 2.5 last one and the answer.
Lawyer 2.5 years, 10 years, no. Last one, no. And I de you indefinite. And I said 11th year. And I bet you indefinite. Lawyer, what's the main car?
Mpacho mete half. Mete say or say ebewu.
Me pacho. Or pursue busa say, oh, 10-year route ne so. Wo last one man ye 10 years no. And then I de be kwa you indefinite. And I say 11th year. And I de be you indefinite ana.
Okay, enti fiti time we have a decision. 10 years after that.
10 years after that now bet you know. Okay,
yes.
Good.
But say what person what trying to with visa no do because they
also per say the last 2.5 years no ewu na be kwa kwaje indefinite.
Obe to me but 10 years
over the man me 10 years na e be do match next year and the mean to menje.
Omode ma wo no na omode 10 years no omode ma no starting from the visa date no.
And that was a 2017 March.
Entine visa date no eson with the visa na wo mode ama wo no. O last visa no ewu a na ade beji indefinite.
Oh, okay. That was it.
Blood yenko blood yenko.
Blood. Mama mpacho me tumi aka bibi.
Lawyer kasa.
Mpacho na make say once ne 10 years ni do no that time no betumi aye indefinite no. So that's the time she's ripe or matured enough for indefinite no. But after that time no betumi aye nso. But the earliest time is ne 10 years no. Pacho, thank you.
Yes, 0750 242279. Can you remarry with automatic renewal? Yes, obi to me dia ware. O pese wo ware abi to me awa. Tem bia bi to me aware. Me pacho number no me number 0750242279. Eno na edidi dwumedie wo studio ha. Enti minim number kra wo frɛ. Na lawyer number me pacho fa pen ne paper. Lawyer number 0208 0208 075 2860 0208 075 2860. Me pacho wa offer or private number ni enko. Send me your program now from or private number memfa. Because commentate says so be commentate so or from memfa because I private I mean him say be a nipa no. And I say you will be private as a man na ye obi hwehwe me. Inti memfa. Inti wo frɛ wa ha emfa private emfrɛ because me wi a memfrɛ wo. Right.
Me number na time sa na ye nti.
Me pacho yenko.
Mpacho me kunu ba ansra hwe na me ne no afafu na me bisa say obi yes e wo adapte akra na say me wo na na nipa no won klata no sa no me no me ni klata nti me to me
Yeah. Sewo hospital na lawyer obi person abduct oba because wuni nkrata na wagina ne so agibia na akora ne papa wo ho wonso wo ho a possible enye sa na also bisa question
okay
in short akora ne papa wo nkrata obetimi agibia ma akora no kwa no tum so wawo enipa no person abduct akora no yoba na bema enti se wo na akora ne papa wo nkrata no no di ne din akoto akora ne so na wagibia ma akora no na wo wagina so de agibi What did they know? Cousin, say, and yes, I will question that lawyer. So, a granny papa or mamma will be and we will be and we. Papa for fro, and I nip no offer, and I will be an downfall. Nipa no my downfall. Okay, what down for betting me adopt a granny in the Anthony Swajibiana, ama wajibi. Adoption, fresh baby.
So for my Mr. Yako, the line is a completely different thing altogether. In the
E
sense,
kan kuro mi ha asem no ya fiem international ye mre na ye be me kan kuro mi ha aheya
adoption no won to me enka adoption ho asem because adoption no it means say wo mame ana papa no wo relinquish as in you are wo ma with total legal rights. Inti se meme ya kola ana se meme ye mame me ne me relinquish my rights because of mame adopting me ba. That means say I'm no longer the mother. I cannot be known in any way as the mother. The legal rights, parental rights, say ebi am pese meje benefits and I be bisa mean to me nje. Ena yen to me enko back 10 years down the line and now 15 years down the line and say, oh, me a mistake. I didn't understand the implications of adoption. Inti I want to believe say nia will be sano enye adoption ho asem. Inti meka say adoption is not applicable because you need to contact social services for that. Inti say bia so for mame or kind different thing and no na ibia will be to me abuano in that light.
me that's Jo yeda obi biara se me pa cho ye wi a wo betumi afre lawyer se me aso na person ne me kasa so a wo betumi afre me ekwan time ne ko me personal number is 075024227999 eda screen is so 075024227999 wo se mama bena wo de obi number ma me se me mfre no frɛ no na wo mfa dia daze ai eno de minim ho asem bi ento frɛ nipa no wo mfa no me pacho lawyer office number ye wi am wo so na ye ntimi amfam no mo betimi afre lawyer Pauline e was 0208 075 2860 0208 075 2860 ne mobile number e wa adwumem wo betimi afre no WhatsApp ana se wo betimi afre no normal call e 073 864 54673 073 864 54673 me pacho ubetumi afre lawyer me pacho yenko
Inti it's for the person that will be asked will be a would thank you for your love. Thank you for listening in. Thank you for your patronage. Monso amoye clients yedamwase. Monso mokona moba back yedamwase. Obinso you are just getting the information to inform yourself. Yesi yedamuni na ase. Munti na program no eyede. So for mame wonso yepese da wase eja. So be so obiye adea osaye. Inti so for mame, thank you so much for your support month by month. Debia, you are there to support and give us the platform to be able to educate and empower our lovely Ghana for yeda was a pan. I mean, sure, be brain, Debia on Kai was senior, why no Debia, enjoy was Nyamedebeka in summary, and say, Mpacho, always remember, say, so what immigration matter. Always try to seek the necessary advice. Men kwanko hu wadan for be beka say oh na minim say we may say ma obi na meye no efai nti yenya na sa ebefa. Immigration matters no it's a case by case basis. Nti sometimes no one say there'll be something small regarding your case which makes it different from obidie. So yen se wan ko ye ni ya na asay. But nyame adumti ene your platform no just to be able to empower our lovely viewers. Say bibi wo ho feel free to call. Say bibi wo nso wo ho no ma yanka ni ye no ye pacho fa cheyen. But as usual, feel free to call and we'll continue to spread the good word and share the good vibes. Nyame adumti next week no yɛbɛhyia in the month of September, Eja, month of conception. Now you deliver more immigration matters. If not, no, you come with back with more areas of law. Yeah, there will be access. So for my Minyamin shall be brave. Thank you.
Yeda eye lawyer Pauline ase me patron number biom eye office number eye Mascot Solicitors ene no mo twetwe nkomo no office number ye 0208 075 2860 eye 0208 075 2860 mobile number eye 073 864 54673 Meda lawyer ase lawyer Pauline yeda ase bebre nyame ya adoma ye besan ene wahia atwetwe eye enkomo erade enhira meda wo bibiara ase me pacho wa wo ne metena ase fitia no pa wa wo hwe mo Facebook YouTube ba so mentimi ampeke wa me pacho facha me nipa ne doso betimi afo lawyer na wo ne no atwetwe nkoma na ase se miana o pese wo ne me kasa obu o pese wo ne me kasa ansa no afre lawyer me pacho ene me free obetimi afre wo 075024227999. My personal number is 075024227999. Obetumi afre if you want more details about enkoma yedie no eswa. Obapa 0750 075024227999. 075024227999 me personal number no yada wo trade amponya nkopan basa yado masna me kanfo diaspora funeral cash insurance amagana ni ba bia wo hwe me secure yourself, secure your family member insurance abetimi aye bia ma wunua no abusuafo ma me papa wunua no kra de o ma ye bi dada de ye me concern ye o ma me ne wo papa me pa chaw ye bi ma wo mo emfa wo so mo Ghana obetumi aye bi wo wiase ba bia obetumi aye diaspora funeral cash insurance ubetumi ayebi na me kan for na me kan for Brago Catering Services at the amount me pacho contact Brago Catering Services na onye wo parties unuane Saturday Brago Catering Services na wedding na ye wo Flames of Faith Assembly or kita for bibia wo home Brago ma feel dodo inti me pacho wo ye part wo ye wedding wo ye engagement wo ye bibia for Brago Catering Services best deal door to door shippers na efrel o pe best deal door to door shippers a on be fa wonioma send ye tie no sa pepepe no mo bekodia best deal door to door shippers and efrel no pelito shito del do shito di abetie me pacho fre pelito occasion event bia no be ho shito e di amount me pacho wise financial wisdom na efrel no financial wisdom bra Francis sebra o pesa wo life insurance, critical illness, mortgage insurance me pacho income protection o insurance enne se bibinia me pacho na se wo yare edawa adwuma anase aban edane na chi de mawa me pacho insurance if we be boa ama watua wo dan ka ama watua wo bibia wo ho bia wo bedidi ekopem se wo ho beto wo yare na akoda hospital la de bia ombetua wo ka night bia ombetua wo ka income protection esre wo dwuma wo ye no sika wo nya no wo pese wo yare a se sika na insurance entua wo ka me pacho bomoni ne ye bi ye insurance e wa abra ye healthy ye nya insurance e wa abra ye yare because wo yare a insurance be anywhere omo ebeye edi amount enti Mr. Frebra Francis na woni ni nkomo bia na wo insurance e wo hospital Friday nyame ya adoma ye ne no betwetwe nkomo bia wo insurance e wo bank so wo insurance e wo post office Mr. Freno na won kire wo nioma asiye me pa che wa daworoma Freno e wo 07833 475842 me patch of Frebra Francis was 07833475842 na woni no entwetwe nkomo snacks and etonensa from me se was bra wo ye part wo ye wedding wo ye engagement bia no ana wedding wo ye christening baby shower na wo pe finger foods dia wo fre snacks a wo be ye wonu ane bibia e dia maw e wa bra wo moka bibribi bia erade enhira wo bibiara wo ne me etena se etwetwe nkomo enura ma mo ba sorry mo ba redemption na wa nenya asam ketwa befe my miracle ewurade pija ne nsa no soro bieye every Tuesday bia redemption na wa ye ya asori mpaibo kase wo United Kingdom London specifically Elephant and Castle me pa cho oba beji wa ware oba beji wo wedding ring oba beji wo safwa oba beji wa yare sa oba beji wo fa hodie oba befa wani munyam ekura wo nkrata oba befa kura adwuma samwa ye den edru ebenada dia uni baby akọ ebenada du abana skin pain me baby a me agye no agye me ne mabusuafo no eno na me meka kyerɛ wo bi a wadi abana skin pain ye chi bia ache bia nim se saa maami we se na numa sam ntofo me na atwam kɔ se wuti abana skin pain na wo gi abana skin pain asam na wo di asam ne ya asam ne yefo a ewurade de wanam esisi ye mo wa ha obi be kan se 15 years ago through me abana skin pain ewurade de se de ahana fo ma wa men okasa amote o se ma me ankasa na me se me na komo edeme meti ha me maybe wo platform yi so me start na me bubo omudin ewurade na abana skin pain so obi a wo ba abrochiri won si dan da won to brogoda through abana skin pain water asase through abana skin pain obi si dan United Kingdom through abana skin pain ebinum free continent aba to fie wa ha say through abana skin pain chese be bi abana skin pain ni papa obi ani wa wadi abana skin pain chi a wodi akoma pa edi abana skin pain chi a ewurade nhye na nimonyam enti me de ma so de ma hwe eno na abana me recommend ya ma enti me pa chow de bia metena se me tufo se pa sorry ko Saturday yenua bi enya abanyama ne last week Saturday wonya abanyama ne me ka share code ase me ba na me ka share code ase na me peda na maka he de bia metena se me ka kire wo se menye wadwen se wanya visa ba abrochire wawie wote Ghana no na wudi apaye wo no mapaye wudware apaye wo sra apaye wo sha apaye atade wotimi ye fast ma wa no ho ye hoya se de pa afa wo so ne pa mfa akom na de wo enso wonya wo ho tete ye ba abrochire no chicken £2.50 £3.50 shaki kakraka preko aboa ne nan ye kan sen ka foto onu ana ahonhoro kakraka enti fasting ne kura wajaye empaibo ne kura wajaye wo ba brochire ena wo wa osese no wo se nyame bia kura mpo ni baabia enti uti so bi kura ka asori din ye nkwa asori okobọ mpa yo na nipa ne ho ye wahi bra menye wadwen se wanya ho awie sister menye wadwen se wanya ho awie ye wonyame bia abra wanya wo ho awie no sa abre no kura na wo so nyame muye abra ewurade wo peja wo hira wo no sa level bia wo beko bia enimu attack ya ebawo anaye anamunim level bia wo bedru bia no ene attack ya ebawo so enti menye wadwen se medie ma ware awie mada dabi abra wa ware awie no ene wo se wo sore na wo plug in abra wanya won krata awie no ene wo se wo sore na wo plug in bompaye dia paye no mapaye dwaria paye ye life insurance eto won krata ne so eno ne mpaibo ye life insurance eto awo na awo ne so ye life insurance eto adwuma na wanya ne so because adwuma na wanya no enye wo bia na n'enije ho aware na aware no enye wo bia na n'enije ho enkrata na wanya no obonefo ni mu se wanya enkrata no you fly intime paucho da bia mo maami abana skin pain metanasia metu wofo na maka chro se pa sorry ko pe Bible believing church ne ko hwehwe Kristo ekira kwan eno ne wo bambofo hwehwe Kristo na ekira kwan pa sorry ewurade abasada so ewurade ni munyamoda so enwosra eye adwuma ne pekọ wonni baabi som na wonni baabi kwa me kanfo baabi a me abana e wona me kwa sorry Flames of Faith Assemblies FFA in short bra betwiro wudin na ye nyina ye mpagya ewurade efraka wo pe undiluted word of God dia Flames of Faith Assembly ye wo sofo ye wo wudifo ewiye bremu ewurade apaw no okasa wosoro enya adwuma ye okasa tumi die kire okasa dance die kire enwosra eye adwuma bra Flames of Faith Assembly Bible believing church, undiluted word of God. Brane betie bi. Ewurade wo bejew. Ewurade abasa beto so. Wuti asem no na wo fa asem no. Na wo ye asem ne yefo a. Adansidi ne beba. Enwosra ne beba. Adom ne beba. Adwuma ne beba. Enkrata beba. Aware beba. Awo beba. Dia wo hwehwe. Enipa ne beba. Osema amaso amone so abra mo komu bu momra na meje mo. Enye wo bia na obetimi ajew. Me ka mo atene ne. Enye wo bia na Kristo wo bejew. Because as no wo bia na adwene. Obi wo wa obanyame fie na adwene kura no enye. Enti wo wonye. Se wo free the presence of God asem a wo ka. Enti wo wonye wonso yo. Esa slagage ne beguti so saa. Enti memfa entu wo se o se ma amaso amone so abra mo komu bu momra na mejo wo ye wonyame bia otumi ade nyina aye batade bi wo nso a wonye ni nyina agina wo wadwene so se ne wo pagya wo nyankopon ade bi wo a wonye wo benya aware wo sori a no apunu hu fi wo ntwetwe ose ho kan wigi uhuhurumu wo sori anopa wo hye wo dem umpie nyame wo mfa kunu mfiri baabi mmere wo ho ya prophesy se wo benya adwuma ye wo ba beye manager wo sori ya pie ne kopa adwuma application wo mfa bi ntum wo hye dem wo contact company bia eno ane se wo hye wo dem enti nyame wotimi ade nyina ye ba ade bi won so a wonye wo nipa no sori ne koye sorry ne kenyikinya wo enti me pawcho brane betwuro wudin wo Flames of Faith Assembly brane nyina yansom ne yempagya Awurade frankra na Awurade ni munyam ntawo so wo pebebia nyame asem ne yede tete yen empai bokwa so ne yede tete yen yedi apaye wi apaye no mapaye dwade apaye every Tuesday a redemption hour wo giamre eye fanhodie mre eye nkunimdie mre Tuesday bia no ye ba ebefa ya ware ye ba ebefa ye nkrata ye ba befa ya dwuma enura Prophet Greg Kasa obi anfa the white handkerchief ne mra beginning of a new year every year beginning of a new year last year Daddy Kasa obi anfa ne mpaboa emra empaboa wo de kwa dwuma wo de ko school empaboa wo de pie eye beginning of a new year Awurade ni munyam beto ebedu kan na wo bia antro 12 things a wo pese Awurade nye emfama wo tro enti sa 12 things no ye tro no 31st of December ye lanchi ye wo to first ye maye de empabo abai wo bia na wo pa adwuma from years empabo na wo de nante kwa adwuma promotion aba enkofo aware wom enkofo atutu fie. That's Flames of Faith Assemblies. Me say, odifo ne de wakasa. Osoro nya adwuma yo. Bia wo de wo sofo wo nyini ni. Oyo odifo na wo nyini ni a eye wa wo paraba. Ba me abundance campaign. Me de me nsa besi me boa ka kire wo se. Prophet Greg obie na no kasa osoro nya adwuma ye. Se me bie for lines atuma, obi okra wo hu Prophet Greg da. Ba ne on trans Prophet Greg Enumasan eyi na free cancer eyi na free impotent akura doctors so woni kidney maame ne yenhu ne da record ni nyina wo me ha obi a wodi machi ache bi anim akura doctors so woni kidney akura doctors Great Ormond Hospital omusi ensuo gina akura ni tirim enti wo sa akura no ye flashing it out. Awurade nam Prophet Greg adomoso akora ne papa ye maame ye nimu no ne papa ye nimu no wo bia ni kunu ewo impotent na wo join ne Prophet Greg on online prophet hire nsuo no ma no se fa koma wo kunu Awurade he enioma ne nyame Kristo wo ye ne titimire mu no bebre na no oguso a wo ye bio ba yesu ban ti yenhu ye canality ye de awura nyame fie enti nsenkyere ne na anatete no wo ye no ye nim so wonye biom ogusu a wo ye ogusu a oye obi wo Germany wo tie nipa ne voice na wo hu ne facial 90% doctors say oye bema ni hormones eye bema 10% eye oba and there is no chance say obe conceive wo hyenwa ni hunwi nanim ni tone everything ba waware awo ho den through Prophet Greg or joining Prophet Greg emergency hour online ewurade nam Prophet Greg adom so mewuraba yenyimoy ewuraba yanyem eye doctors nyina nwanwa wawo wo ye doctors ahwa akora no omode akora na mana kofie emergency hour baby sa na efra akora no 1 week midwife also healthcare abefia be chakra no o se fan akora ne ho memani nyi ho fa akora ne bra appointment echina o de akora ne koya omo se akora ne nya holy in heart lady di sufre Prophet Greg and o se wurade a wode ba we chema mi e wa bra na nani na e wa bra na nani na e wurade wa ye bi wo Great Britain ko Germany ne koye yehu maame ne dawo enti ewurade wonam Prophet Greg adom so ye bebre enti titenioma na waje ne yehu ne Bible mu no woda so ye bi, but you have to be at the right place at the right time. Bebia ubeso that seed no ewo ye 31st night me say bebia wo de wo night BC will determine how far you go 2026 enti sa handkerchief no enura wo maye de buy ebe G oil on the altar na enura keke na ye buy no ewurade ni munyam obi enuru fiu ena make se ni nyina agina wo wadwena wo de ba sorry so enti wonni baby suma me kamfo Flames of Faith Assembly dia ma bra me yansom Tuesdays in Bible ma mo mabi mo ye mo ho mo a mo ma banadam Bible no mo ye mo ho enura ye nua baby prophet say me hu din we ewo wanim body ni mienu ose ye mia e wade tu nipa no prophet say me hu security ada na security for atwa ho ahia me hu security for atwa ho ahia okunu ye de adwuma ose me hu security say security no wanya aban amane that is okunu ye de adwuma wona wodin di say wose yan okunu ye de adwuma sister ne say the first time awaba ho no okunu ye de adwuma ose me kunu ye security na that is me hu security ba me hu aban ose me kunu ye yi na di because wanya aban amane me say odifo ne de wokasa wosuru nya adwuma yo osuru nya adwuma ye enti mo a Tuesdays in Bible ye bompaye gidi empaye gidi ye no mapaye edwade apaye esra paye esha paye atade ebusa apaye sa apaye wo kwan apaye se me pe Flames of Faith Assemblies akọ ebenade numre nonso next week Tuesday enkura ni beko school wo bia memfa wo bantene fie fa wo babra emfa wo bantene fie sori ne fa wo banebra okọ new classroom new teacher wone ne now fofo na ekọ but new student him so no ebe free baby aba sister bra ne be bompa ye to man so be insurance next week Tuesday kwasiada ye kwa sorry wonni baby so mo a me pa cho bra ne be twere wudi wo Flames of Faith Assembly wate ye hia wo Elephant and Castle ehwo ye South London ye yera kwan specifically Elephant and Castle for bus for train ebesi wo Elephant baby asori ne wona no eye Kennington ho no bia obeka se wonim ho ba Kennington ene Elephant and Castle ebom and nothing that be me use Elephant and Castle because Kennington no yan for free say Kensington ye wo Kensington and ye wo Kennington. I am talking about Kennington. I wo Elephant and Castle. Me pacho udru Elephant and Castle busa wo bia sa wo ko Kennington. Kennington hono underground wo ko Kennington underground. Kennington hono short distance. Mame friend me pacho daddy number ne da so Prophet Greg and number ne ye ended 355 me pacho busa wo bia wo Elephant and Castle say me ko Kennington underground echo Elephant and Castle just 10 minutes walking distance pe 10 minutes oye ni pa hwan akura te say me 5 minutes ubedu se wontimi nante a fa bus every Elephant and Castle 2 minutes and 2 stop ni mu esusa short me pacho fa 333 a free London Bridge and a free Liverpool Street 333 15 133 155 196 415 and the Nichre Brixton for the Elephant and Castle see what Kennington underground wa we see what underground wa wenim ube hu koskata na offline sisa na Tesco twemu bra offline sisa dan anim fani mu 10 left wo immediate 10 left ube hu park praying ground ewo ho gate da no me pacho bowra ho wo bowra park ne so a asore ho no esi ho a bia na wo drive ana wo nante ohia tontom postcode XE11 4HZ XE11 4HZ and I say Sierra Echo 11 4 Hotel 0 kwasia de bia ye sha sorry as 1 PM near upon 4:30 me pacho ye de ye pe wo soro ahemamu no kra to nchen ya spiritual aspect to nchen ya kwa sorry a moye busua asori a eto wa na to me eka wa na aka me wo kwa asori nso afa akoma pa mingle yourself men konko se nkofo wa asori ho ukura se degree no wo kwa asori a mingle yourself with people with odomu Apostle Anderson I salute you daddy pacho want to say me gidi se radi adom ohoye me dase Apostle me dase na me nshira dase me pacho wo kwa asori afa akoma pakọ obu wa wo kwa asori a uni mobia wo ho ufiri wo fie wo bia individual wo bia free ne fie ba asori wo no wutimi mobi timi ko politu ko fadanfo na wa twon free asori no de wo bia wo no wasan ba wo kuroma bayifu o ba wo behia wa bonten wo fa wadanfo anka wo mpene bia na animonyam bia da wo so no obehia wa asori ho no opeso wo se wo he obi obeka akire wo se Satan kwa asori bia wo boa asori dan na yetim ye wa bayifu tim ye wa bonsanfo tim enuoma bebre ne koso wa asori me ka akire wo menye wa adwen se asori fie ye holy bonsam nkoho obi timi kwa asori no akohia beyi wakogi beyi wa asori ende me ka akire wo Satan go to church enti asori ho no bia de wote wo nchen kora no ono na ye obonsam bia de wo sori a wo ba asori a wono na oni ni di wo fie asem no wo hia na bonte anka abesuro se wona ne bekasa ba wote asori no wo hu ne se nyina ye te asori enti nyina ye esum nyame enye wo bia na nyame nti na wo ba asori enye wo bia enti obu wo timi hia waso no obefa ne nua no obefa na danfo no watena wo glory so osime kwa asori ma bompa ya mi hu hwe bi ko nipa na wodi wachi no was-signed to monitoring you enti mesraw makoye Ghana fo nyina maame no make papa na me sen tumofo sorry ayeti se kuo me obes campaign fan club me ka kire wo say choose your friends very wisely because enye ye wa ha nyina no ene ye papa obu wa wodo ho bono a ekuo mu a otimi ma ware egu wotimi ma wunya abayama ne otimi kofa wo ha wo de bre wo so obetimi no form alliance na masori etia ekuo chairman me obie ni obetimi afrema be se na ageman me chairman akere me da never na me kro mu owusuro you won't come into obi wo a woni ni wokuo mu a obey yade na watwon no de wokọ the same thing asori the same thing ene wa asori into wokọ asori a mese mo nkọ a mo mingle myself but ma wani na ho se aboa wowo Flames of Faith ye abusuya ba oba Flames of Faith you will feel more welcome, you will feel comfortable so about abusuyam ba wudi agoro no na won so why very wise omo wani ada ho enti me kan for Flames of Faith amount se bra ne be join ne abusuya bra ne fa ho be bo asori a wo e kan wa na aka me Saturday ye hia ye fro kese aye fro pampen e wo Flames of Faith assemblies memende nyame ya adomo a obi you are invited brebi bra ne be supporto eye owura ne wowura yere Saturday omo engagement Ghana last week Saturday enti yes omo yowura ne owura yere enti nyame ya adomo a kwasi ada memenda chinechi 29th and omo de aware no ebe nyame anim enti ye best started 12 11 pepe na ho na bi 11 na red carpet pictures paparazzis ho na bi 12 na raba no we inside na ya hye bibia ase me pachobra na ye nyina ye na awrade ase ye celebrate wo mo together nyame ya adomo a Brago Catering Services mame Brago me chiaw Brago Catering Services ena ekita Fiona's Kitchen ena ekita ye cocktail Brago Catering Service ekita almost 28 finger foods including cocktail Fiona's Kitchen ena ye continental inti service ne be ye mienu wo continental dishes cocktail ewa ha me pacho Flames of Faith ye wie wedding na everything ye wo big park efefe Garden of Eden ewo ho enti park ne so everything will take place there. It is Saturday opesa wo be support ye bra me pacho bra oba me mfa aduane ma mfa bibia ma bra dress nicely ne bra be support no kwasiada eye omo Thanksgiving service kwasiada all women ministry ye share women emeku atade Saturday de obia ansha na atade a wo pe oba wedding enti siesie ho biko bi e ho no na so benya okuno ana wonim bi e ho no na be hia bra bi obe hia sister bi enti dressed very unique nicely kwasiada de ye de emeku atade no ye be wura ye ho na ye de aba enti nyame ya adomo a wa wo pese woni asum bia no ye hyiam kwasiada 1 p.m. to 4:30 me pa cho bia no akọ night na wo pese wo da afi na abe no aduane wo sori a me no aduane wo de hye watade adware ne bra because Flames of Faith ye service bia no refreshment is there ye didi eme ye ho toyen ye pon asori a we socialize because ye family obo ho free fie ba asem bia wate na be mabu aworoko adwuma sem kora no me pa cho debi ube free asori wa akono na wa ye nkunimdie na awurade ne munyama hyeren wo so intimidase kwasia de nyame yadoma me hia wasori 1 p.m. awurade nhyira onye obi akese me da munyina mase Monday ye start fasting and prayers me pacho September Monday ye 31st September to deliver mesro enyuhu frim a month of September adie bibiara wo wanyem ache wanyem waware wanyem wayaresa wanyem nkunidi adwuma sama yeden me pacho nyame ya adomo a this 9 days no enyuhu frim starting from Monday. More details by Friday me de bebremo erade nhyiraw akwose me free so me da mase me pacho wa also person of frame obetimi afre me number is 0750242279 erade nhyiraw.
Leave your family with love and dignity, not
and God bless
burden.
you too.
At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally. for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed. Guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden. At Diaspora Insurance, no medical checks are needed, guaranteed acceptance. Cover yourself and loved ones globally for diasporans and family back home. We offer immediate cash payout within 24 hours. Choose how you're remembered with our flexible cover: burial, repatriation, or cremation. Protect yourself and family, peace of mind guaranteed. Get your peace of mind today. Visit diasporainsurance.com. Leave your family with love and dignity, not financial burden.